Hello everyone, this is Devangi Gupta and you are watching Creative English. Today I am going to share 15 advanced vocabulary words that you will definitely hear in daily conversation in movies and TV shows. If these are the words you don't know, then please write it down and practice it by making your own sentence. It will help you to memorize those words. Let's start. Number 1. Accomplish. Accomplish is a word which means finish or complete something. Let's make a sentence of this word. It seemed very doubtful whether he would accomplish his desire of being a doctor. That means it's not sure whether he would finish or complete his desire of being a doctor. Number 2. Collaborate means work together. Let's make a sentence of this word. Don't hesitate about your questions. Just come and talk to me. I love to collaborate. That means I love to work together. This picture better explains this word. Number 3. Abolish means cancel officially, like a system, a practice, or an institution. For example, many people fought to abolish slavery during the Civil War. Means they fought to formally, or you can say officially, put an end to slavery during the Civil War. Number 4. Confront means dare to face a problem, like I am ready to face any problem. For instance, we must confront the danger with open eyes and unbending purpose. This means we must dare to face the problem, to face the danger with our open eyes. The most recent danger going on the world is COVID-19 pandemic, and we can use confront word for this danger. Number 5. Hostile means unfriendly. Like for instance, Edward does not talk too much because of his hostile behavior. That means Edward has a kind of unfriendly behavior. That's why he does not like to talk too much. Number 6. Ambiguous means unclear, or you can say having a double meaning. Let's make a sentence of this word. Her look is ambiguous. I cannot tell whether she is angry or not. That means I am unclear about her look and expression, that maybe she is angry or maybe she is not. It's unclear. Number 7. Bibliophile means fond of books or bookworm. That means a person who is fond of books and is a kind of bookworm. For example, my friend is a bibliophile who reads at least 2 books every day. That means he has a great fond of books, so he reads 2 books every day, and that's appreciating. Even I cannot do that. Number 8. Slouch means not sitting straight, like sit in a lazy manner. Example, my mother scolds me when I slouch on the couch, when I do not sit straight. This picture better explains this word. Number 9. Pragmatic means dealing with problems in a reasonable or practical manner, like realistic. For instance, if you are willing to travel a great distance, the pragmatic approach is to take a plane. That means for traveling a long distance, the reality or practical based approach is to take a plane, an aeroplane. Number 10. Incentive means a thing that motivates, encourages, or attracts towards something. For example, Microsoft 365 is offering a special free trial as an added incentive for new customers. We all know that free trials encourages people to buy any software or any product, and this works as an incentive to increase customers. Number 11. Diffident. Diffident means shy or having lack of confidence. For instance, Mike was a diffident student who never stood up to his bullies. That means Mike was a kind of shy or low confident student That's why he was shy to fight against his bullies. Number 12. Copious. Copious means abundant or numerous or abounding. Example: I write copious notes before preparing for my examination. Or, he was able to support his argument with copious reasoning. That means something that is numerous or abounding, like copious notes or copious reasons. Number 13. Hinder means an obstruct or difficulties or stops. For instance, heavy snow and wind can hinder your journey, means it can stop or obstruct. Or, my friend's weak financial condition hinder him from buying a car. He gets difficulties because of his financial condition. Number 14. Stupendous means amazing, stunning or awesome. For example, I got stupendous score on my TOEFL IBT test. The view from my balcony is stupendous. Instead of using awesome, you can use stupendous. That means something that is stunning, something that is amazing. Number 15. Sluggish. Sluggish means inactive or move in a slow manner. Let's make a sentence of this word. I feel very sluggish after a long day work. That means I am a kind of tired or feeling inactive. So today we learned 15 advanced vocabulary which we can use in our daily life. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. To be with me in my following videos, please like, subscribe and comment below. It means a lot to me. Thank you.